Aloha, my name is Ben Iglesias. I've been a photographer for almost 3 decades. I broke enough domes and scratched enough domes, and I'm gonna teach you how to fix your dome and not have to deal to buy another one. When you have a small scratch, you hit the reef or something like that. So pay attention, a lot of elbow grease, a little bit of products, but you'll be a happy camper after you do it. Aloha, stay salty, my friends. Hi, my name is Ben Iglesias. I'm a photographer. I've been shooting underwater for about 3 decades. And obviously the biggest nightmare of any photographer are scratches on the dome. So we have one small there, one small here, one small here that sadly I hit while going through the reef. You know, sometimes we don't pay attention, we get too close, too far, and then you hit it. But I've seen a lot of videos in they use sandpaper and a lot of different tricks and trades, but after breaking so many and scratching so many in a 3 decade career, I found this product that is online, and I don't promote Amazon or anything, but this is the best product that I ever use. And it's a 3-stage to fix any kind of scratches. So the only thing you need is getting these 3 things. This is a heavy scratch remover, this is a fine scratch remover, and this is just for finishing the removing of the, like these shines, your plexi. The only thing you need, really the most important part is time, patience, and a piece of paper that is extremely like not lint, right? So you just grab a few of these. I just brought one just to show you. I cut a piece just like that. Obviously you can do it with scissors, so it looks a lot better. But then you go number 3, that is the heavy scratch remover. In the number 3, you apply just a little bit on the dome, any way you want it, right? And then, because I haven't used it in a while, things happen, I can do it like this too. Just about that, then dollop, and then the only thing you want to do, and this is when the elbow grease come to town, right? You have to, that way, and this is gonna make all your dome look very buggy. You're gonna think that you're destroying it, but you keep on going, and usually I would put fights, I like fights, but I would put UFC or something like that, and you go for a long time. Now I'm just here to show you, right? But you have to go at least for a minute or so, maybe 2 minutes, depending on the thickness or how thick or big is the scratch that you have. But you keep on going and keep on going and keep on going. I would do 2-3 passes, and you start seeing immediately if it's cleaning the scratch or not, right? After you do that one, obviously, after you're happy with it, you grab that one, you throw it away, you have to get an adequate piece, and then you go to stage 2, right? This is number 2, and this is a fine scratch remover. So the first one is a heavy scratch remover, this is a fine scratch remover. Shake it again, shake it well, because I haven't used it in a while, same thing. You can do it with the dispenser, but you see this one is a little browner, right, than the other one. I think I put way too much, but I'm gonna take a little off with this one. And I got this one a long time ago, maybe a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, and I still have plenty to keep on scratching and fixing domes. But it's the same thing, you go, and I try to keep it turning the same way, right? Like some people will go back and forward like that. I don't think it matters much. The only thing it matters is that you do it and do it and do it, and you check the scratch and you chase the scratch, and eventually you're gonna start seeing that it's getting this very beautiful shiny, and your scratch is almost disappearing, right? So then I would do the stage 2, another 5-10 minutes, you know, maybe another full 5. And once you do that one, and you're happy with the results, then you get to the spray one. And this is just to the finishing touch. So I just do a couple of cups like that, and then start doing the same thing again, and again, and again, and again. And you start seeing immediately how beautiful your dome is shiny and clear, and no more scratches, what it makes any good photographer absolutely happy. So that's about it, you know. Just be patient, be diligently with it. Keep on going and keep on going and keep on going. But you can see that it's very shiny right away. I don't have the scratch anymore. but it was a very small one. When you get to big scratches, you have to apply one time, second time, and third time, but always you start with the third one, then the second one, then the third, second, and then the first, that is the shiny one. So that's about it. Yes, I'm gonna remove this, put it here, and then I will show you. This is a product. I don't know, you can research it. I bought it in, I think, Amazon or something, you know. I don't make money with this, I don't promote, I just wanna be every photographer's nightmare happy. Domes are between $800 to $1,000. If you use these, you're gonna have your dome for a while. And as I say, I've been breaking and shooting long enough, so use it. It will make your life much, much happier. Hope this helps. And then those are the three. 1, 2, 3. Nice, non-lint paper, a lot of elbow grease, a lot of time using it, but you will be a happy photographer. Aloha, have clear waters, stay salty, my friends.